Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a slow motion video, fast forward video, and reverse video in Filmora 11 in just 3 minutes. Okay, let's go. Alright, so now I'm inside Filmora 11, and first thing you want to drag and drop your video onto the timeline. Just put it here on the timeline. And the first option, you want to make a slow motion video. Just select the video here on the timeline and find this speed button. Click on speed button, and now you have different slow preset that you can select for your video. For example, I can select 0.5 time. And this is a slow motion video. Very nice, right? And you can go back to normal speed with this option. And the second option is to fast forward your video. For example, I want to fast forward this part. All I need to do is to split this part, select the video here on the timeline, go to speed option again and select fast 4 times, 8 times, is up to you. So I'm going to select 4 times. And here's a fast forward video. Nice, right? And if you want to reverse a portion of the clip, all you need to do is to select the clip here and then select speed option again, and then click this option, reverse video. And here's the reverse video. That's nice, right? So that is how to make a slow motion video, fast forward video, and reverse video with Filmora 11. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.